Welcome to 2939 Southwest Custer Street, right here in the heart of Multnomah Village. Inside, you're going to find 4 bedrooms plus 2 offices and so much more. Let's go take a look.
Perfectly positioned just blocks from the shops, cafes, parks, and community events that make Multnomah Village one of Portland's most loved neighborhoods, this custom Craftsman offers a rare combination of refined quality, flexible living, and exceptional walkability. Built in 2008 with incredible attention to detail, this home captures the warmth and craftsmanship of a classic Portland bungalow, while offering the space and modern comforts today's lifestyle demands. The kitchen was made for gathering, featuring premium newer appliances, slab granite counters, a charming built-in breakfast nook, and custom cabinetry. A butler's pantry adds even more flexibility, serving perfectly as a second office or creative workspace. Architectural features from the signature bridge connecting living spaces to the detailed millwork enhance the timeless character throughout. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a spacious spa-inspired bath, custom built-ins, and a walk-in closet. One of the standout features of this home is its versatility. In addition to 4 bedrooms, there are 2 dedicated office spaces, including this one on the lower level that could double as a bedroom. The lower-level suite with its own ensuite bath creates an ideal space for guests or multi-generational living. Outdoor living is just as inviting with a fully enclosed backyard ready for entertaining. And beyond the home itself, you'll love the location, close to 3 neighborhood parks. A rare opportunity to enjoy the charm and lifestyle of Multnomah Village with the quality construction, flexibility, and modern livability that's almost impossible to find. For more information or to schedule your personal tour, please contact Megan Franco with Real Broker.